Hey, good morning, everybody. Give me a few more seconds to finish letting everybody in. Sorry, I was sending an email, and once I hit send, I looked up and it was like 9:48. So I apologize for running late. Right. Okay, looks like I got everybody. Again, I apologize if you're just coming in. I apologize for getting started a minute late. I was sending an email, and after I hit send, I looked up and it was time to get in here. So I apologize about that. Let me get you started so I can get you out of here. I want to respect your time. I hate being late. I know when I'm going to an appointment or something like that and they're late for it, I'm like, come on, I made this appointment. So I apologize. Let me go ahead and get over to your guys' class. This week, I think we are on 4.1, if I remember correctly. There we are. So 4.1 is up and running. What is going on? There we go. All the assignments for this week are there, vocab and concepts, and a check-in. If you hadn't had an opportunity to look at this yet, please make sure when we get out of here in a few minutes that you spend the next 40-ish minutes kind of digging into this and getting started. Don't procrastinate. Don't wait till the end of the week. It does seem overwhelming. It's very tempting to do that, to push it off, because obviously it's not due until Sunday. But make sure you kind of plan your day out and tackle this a little bit at a time. That way you're not overwhelming yourself and feeling stressed. This is all about congruence, which just basically means things that are equal to each other. So I think we talked about it on Tuesday. I stressed it. If you have a triangle and you copy it like an exact copy, those two triangles are congruent to each other. So you'll see that in that lesson. If you're looking through the book and it's not making sense, you're reading through a problem, you're not understanding a definition, any of that kind of stuff, make sure you're looking at the solutions manual or the video tutorial. Those are there to help you. Of course, if you access that stuff and it doesn't make sense still, you're like, what? Just shoot me an email, right? Typically, it's pretty easy to kind of explain things over email or clarify something, or I can jump on a Zoom call with you. So next week's stuff is also unlocked and ready for you. Isosceles and equilateral triangles. This is basically saying two very specific types of triangles. And these two triangles, the isosceles and the equilateral, have specific properties when it comes to them. That's always true. So again, when you go through the book, you'll see that. Or if you watch my video tutorial, I'll emphasize that multiple times. But this section is just dealing with those two types of triangles. Like always, this is unlocked for you as of yesterday, ready for you to go. But if you haven't had an opportunity to even look at this week's stuff, don't let it stress you out that it's here waiting for you. It just is whenever you get an opportunity. So this is next week's material. All right, I'm gonna stop, let late people in, pause for questions. Feel free to unmute yourself, type something in the chat box. I want to send out one last reminder. If anybody's typing in the chat box or if you need to say something, just feel free to unmute yourself and interrupt me. About a month from, what was it, the other day, right? Tuesday when we met. I think I already announced it, but a month from this Tuesday, 2 days ago, is the end of the semester. I've gotten a few emails from people just kind of stressing a little bit about their grade, and I just kind of work with them, or I've told them, hey, this is what you can do, or this is what you have to do, or whatever. If you're in that boat, if you're looking at your grade and you're like, man, the end of the semester's coming, that's the grade that counts, right? The semester grade is the grade that goes on your transcript. It's the grade that colleges look at. It's the grade that goes against your GPA, things like that. If you're stressed about that and you don't know what to do, just email me. And you could just tell me, I don't know what to do. I'm not sure what I can do to raise my grade. Got any ideas? That's my job, right? I will either tell you what you can do, or I will just tell you, hey, you've done everything you can do. You just got to keep working hard for the rest of the month. But if that's you, if you're in that situation, just reach out to me. I'm happy to kind of talk with you about and work something out. All right, like always, I'm going to hang back and talk with people. If you're good to go and you want to go get started on geometry, I hope you have an awesome weekend, and make sure you reach out to me if you got any questions. Bye.
Hope you have an awesome weekend too, Mr. Chapman.
Thanks, Jose. You too, man. Hey, Leah, it looks like you're having, I don't know if you can hear me. Let me see if I can type something in the box. All right.